Which synonym belongs to epic? The correct answer is extraordinary. Which synonym belongs to concede? The correct answer is give up. Which synonym belongs to diverse? The correct answer is manifold. Which synonym belongs to palliation? The correct answer is relief. Which synonym belongs to promontory? The correct answer is cliff. Which synonym belongs to pestilent? The correct answer is pestiferous. Which synonym belongs to multiform? The correct answer is polymorphic. Which synonym belongs to daub? The correct answer is plaster. Which synonym belongs to kismet? The correct answer is lot. Which synonym belongs to clavicle? The correct answer is collarbone. Which synonym belongs to chagrin? The correct answer is disquiet. Which synonym belongs to detraction? The correct answer is petty criticism. Which synonym belongs to execrable? The correct answer is despicable. Which synonym belongs to litter? The correct answer is sedan chair. Which synonym belongs to fathom? The correct answer is stayed. Which synonym belongs to epaulette? The correct answer is shoulder mark. Which synonym belongs to necrology? The correct answer is obituary. Which synonym belongs to spat? The correct answer is expectorate. Which synonym belongs to allay? The correct answer is quiet. Which synonym belongs to tatterdemalion? The correct answer is ragamuffin.